a kid's lunch idea that your preteen will even love. My 11-year-old said it was good, and he never says that. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Grab a cookie sheet. I like to line mine with some aluminum foil to make cleanup easier. Go ahead and pop open a can of crescent rolls and then just lay them out on the cookie sheet like you would if you were baking them off. Here comes the fun part. Once you have them all laid out, you're gonna go ahead and grab some pizza sauce. See where we're going with this now? I love these because usually I have all of these ingredients on hand. So again, just take some of the pizza sauce and spread them out onto each crescent roll. This is where that aluminum foil comes in for the easy cleanup because pizza sauce and cheese are going to go everywhere. Each crescent roll then gets a handful of mozzarella. The more, the better, in my opinion. It doesn't matter if it comes out, it's just gonna be ooey gooey and delicious. If you're picky, like some of my kids, you can go ahead and leave out the next step. I just have some turkey pepperoni on hand and put a couple of pepperonis into each little pizza roll-up. Again, you could just add more cheese or anything else that you love on your pizzas. Once all of your ingredients are assembled, you're just gonna go ahead and roll it up like a regular crescent roll, large side to small side. And again, it doesn't have to be perfect. This is also a great lunch to have the kids help you with. I always find when the kids help me make food, they're more likely to eat it. Put them right into that 350-degree oven. I set mine for about 15 minutes and they could have used a little bit more time, so I suggest about 20 minutes. These would be delicious with some sesame seeds on top also. But again, even my 11-year-old asked for seconds. Follow for more recipes.